It's 10:41 a.m. Wednesday, May 30th, 2017. Trying to get the camera lit up, lined up here. We're at 88 Shades RV Park in Quartzsite, Arizona. And every day, and sunny days, or cloudless days rather, these jets go by. And they put these streams up. And I'm looking over up and thinking, geez, looks like a rainstorm's coming. No, all that there is from these jets. They've been at it all day. They're at it all day, every day. So you can see in the camera how the sky is blue, and you can see the streams. You can see them dissipating. And what I heard is in there is aluminum chlorohydrate or something. The idea is to reflect the sun's heat back out into space. But that aluminum chlorohydrate something has to come down to Earth, huh? And here at 88 Shades, there's 1, 2, 3 people with cancer, maybe 4. People crippled up. And these are full-time citizens. About 30 people all total all year long. We're at campsite E. Oh, there goes a lizard across the desert here. E2, the campsite E2. It's a backing. There's the mini rig. So again, hard to fathom, but all those clouds way down there, all those deep clouds, all the way around, you can see it back on the other end where it gets blue again, done by those jets. Okay, it's been 107 degrees the last 4, 5, 7 days in a row, and right now thermometer showing 101. Hope I'm getting that in there. Okay, that's it for this one. We're in the desert. This is a desert. No grass, nowhere. That's an orange tree. Fruit's on it, but it won't be ripe until December, they tell us. Excuse me. We're leaving tomorrow morning. Heading to Parker for a conversion, Charger for a mini winnie, then up to Oatman so Patsy can see the wild burglars went through the town. Stopping in Lake Havasu, getting some odds and ends from the dollar store and a couple of cases of beer from Walgreens, and then ended up in Walmart's in Bullhead City and parking across from Sam's Club in Bullhead City for the night. That would be Thursday, June 1st. Okay, that's it for this one.